Hello, Quirksters. Welcome back to Quantum Quirks, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today, we're diving into the world of artificial intelligence, AI, and exploring some of the latest trends that are shaping this rapidly evolving field. AI has been making headlines for years now, and for good reason. It's having a profound impact on our lives, from the way we work and communicate to the way we make decisions, and even the way we entertain ourselves. But with so much happening in the AI space, it can be hard to keep track of all the latest developments. So today we're going to take a look at some of the most exciting trends that are on our radar. AI is already being used in a variety of ways to improve healthcare. For example, AI-powered algorithms are being used to diagnose diseases, develop treatment plans, and even perform surgery. One of the most promising areas of AI in healthcare is drug discovery. AI can be used to analyze vast amounts of data to identify new drug targets and develop more effective treatments. AI has the potential to provide a number of benefits to healthcare. These benefits include improved patient care. AI can help to improve patient care by providing more accurate diagnoses, personalized treatment plans, and new treatments. Reduced costs. AI can help to reduce healthcare costs by automating tasks, reducing errors, and improving efficiency. Increased access to care. AI can help to increase access to care by providing care in remote areas and to underserved populations. AI is also having a major impact on education. AI-powered tutors can provide personalized instruction to students, while AI-powered grading systems can provide real-time feedback. AI can also be used to create adaptive learning systems that tailor instruction to the individual needs of each student. This can help to ensure that all students have the opportunity to reach their full potential. Here are some of the key benefits of AI in education. Personalized learning, adaptive learning, automated grading and feedback, identifying learning gaps and at-risk students, language learning and translation, special education and intervention, administrative tasks. AI is being used by businesses of all sizes to improve efficiency, productivity, and customer service. For example, AI-powered chatbots can provide customer support 24/7, while AI-powered algorithms can optimize supply chains and marketing campaigns. AI is also being used to develop new products and services. For example, AI-powered cars are already on the road, and AI-powered robots are being used in a variety of industries,
from manufacturing to healthcare.
As AI becomes more powerful, it's important to consider the ethical implications of its use. For example, AI algorithms can be used to make decisions that have a significant impact on people's lives. It's important to ensure that these algorithms are fair, unbiased, and accountable. There are also concerns about the potential for AI to be used for malicious purposes, such as autonomous weapons or mass surveillance. It's important to develop safeguards to prevent this from happening. AI is also being used to create art, music, and literature. AI-powered algorithms can generate new creative content that is often indistinguishable from human-created works. This trend is raising some interesting questions about the nature of creativity and the role of humans in the creative process. But it's also opening up new possibilities for artistic expression and innovation. And that's a wrap on the latest trends in AI. It's an exciting time to be in the field of AI, and we can't wait to see what the future holds. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. See you in the next video.